player mannequin? What the fuck is a player mannequin? I think all of this shit that I'm working on crashed the game. Alright, so this should take me out of the game. What? What are you doing? Did I not save it? I didn't save it. But we know that when things get really bright like this is because the void has gotten in. But more importantly, my trigger is not working. So we have to figure out why. The trigger is there. Trigger multiple target name. No, this doesn't. That's what happened. I always get that confused. It needs a target, not a target name. And then we have to figure out where my void is getting in. Oh, what the hell? That's not supposed to be there. I need to delete this shit here. Alright, we can adjust a little bit more in a bit. I just want to make sure we're not getting any light leaking. This room renders real fast. Target not found. This room is bugged. It's something about this room that's causing my game to break. Every other room loads nicely. I know what that stupid target name is. I know what that is. It's because there's an empty target name field that I activated but didn't assign anything. Like right here, see? This thing doesn't need a target. So I'm going to delete that. And then this doesn't need a target name. Target name. I'm going to save. And we have to figure out what the hell's causing the light to spill out. Bet it's this. You know what I'm going to do? I hate that it launches with a 0 exit code, but something's clearly broken. You know, something has clearly gone wrong. Target name shit is driving me crazy. Okay. Null target name. What about you? What's going on with you? Bunker B2 admin room enter 1. You have a target name. Bunker B2 conference room enter 2. Map Bunker B2 conference room start 2. Are you start 2? You are start 2. Bunker B2 admin room enter 1. You are enter 1. You are going to target. No, you are enter 1. That's your target name. Enter 1. And this is the trigger for it. Got it. You have spawn flags. Okay, maybe that's the problem. My screen crashed, I think, because of a memory issue. I legitimately haven't started this computer in like 4 or 5 days because of this shit. I really want to know where my light leaking is coming from. I wonder if it'll load a bounce file. Load point. There's no bounce file. The last time this light leak thing happened, it was because the void was getting in, but it didn't error. G pick target. What does that mean? My shadows are working. So these are brand new triggers. One thing I want to do real quick is I'll grab this light. I'm not gonna grab the light. I'm just gonna get the color from it. That's the door to get into this area. Those those errors are driving me crazy. I'll tell you that much. Bunker B2 admin room enter 1. Bunker B2 admin room enter 1. So this has the information. Bunker B2 admin room. That's this room. Bunker B2 admin room start 1. Target name. Oh, hello. We found a problem. Start 1. I gotta feed my boys. It's about that time. Oh my gosh, so much time has passed. Hi, Torgy. Your side eye is just wonderful, my friend. That was not successful. I'll be right back. Oh, hi, Pixel. Why don't you both on the bed, huh? You know they both lay on the bed while I'm not in it? Because they both lay in the bed. Yep. See, y'all ruined it. Now I gotta get off the bed and get under it. Thank you for telling me my stream died. Were you watching? I got a subscriber. I got paid doing this. That's crazy. Yeah, I just got keep going. Definitely did. After breakfast. After breakfast. Okay. So it's coming along. So yeah, the objective right now is to link the levels. We can go and fix some of this stuff in a bit. Honestly, I think the most important thing is getting the game world out where it needs to go, and then I can start troubleshooting. I was talking a lot of shit about doing it that way, but I do feel like I've been burning a little bit of rubber. I made some great progress, but I don't want to get too caught up in the small details just yet. Well, if there's one thing that bothers me is that this room is leaking light at? Oh, I bet it's coming from the ceiling. Nope. Damn, that's gonna drive me crazy. Malik failed on allocation. Memory leak. From this room? That's the second time this room has caused a memory leak. Why are we getting memory leaks all of a sudden? Okay. Uh, is this a second wall? What is this? There's so much extra geometry in this room. What the fuck? All right, well, Z fights make me feel like at least the level is closed, right? What's going on here? Two walls? No, it's a door. Really gotta figure out what's causing that damn memory leak. What is this? This is just like an access. So that's better. But my biggest concern is this light leak. Because I think this light leak is causing some major problems. And I might honestly just have to reconstruct the entire fucking room. Okay. So I think I need these door entities to have like their own shit on it. So this is what I'm gonna do. Okay. So that's a full door like entity, right? So I can like group this and make it to where anytime I need to use a door, I have these here. In fact, what I'll do is I'll copy this. I'll group this. I'll call it. Actually, you know what? I'll put a door here too. I'm gonna copy this or group it. I'm gonna call it door, and then I'm gonna duplicate it. I'm gonna rotate it like so. We're gonna delete this door. All this shit right here, we're just gonna delete it. It's unoptimized. Cool. Oh, and these are called door? Oh no, that's right. That's a group that I just made on dumbass. Cool. Well, there shouldn't be anything in this map. So now that I've done this, so I have my assets, I can use these assets, I think, to create the rest of my stuff. So I'm gonna grab this. And I'm gonna paste where it was. Wait a second. Yeah, that's fine. There. So everything here should be the same height. Cool. So now we can duplicate another. Actually, no, let's not duplicate anything. Instead, let's do an extrusion. There we go. All right, let's see if that works. No light errors. That's good.